Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have two very special cars today. We have a 94 Toyota Supra and a 70 Dodge Charger. And they're both from Fast and the Furious. So look at that. From the first movie, I think. I watched all the Fast and Furious movies. I think not all of them, but I watched some of them. Look at it. We got both of them are a tuned version. I really like both of them. So look at that. Very cool, guys. So let's go and crack them open because I really want to see what they look like outside the box. So let's go. All right, we're gonna open up the Charger. All right. Okay, this happens. Kind of hate that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, look at that. Well, let me wear some gloves. Hold on. I'm gonna wear some gloves. I don't want to I don't know. These cars are really cool though. I don't want to damage the paint or anything. Got a glove. Oh, here it is. Beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a little Dom Charger. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Just put it on the rotator and turn it on. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at it. Hold on. Alright guys, taking a look at the car. Really love the black paint, and I like how small and cartoony it is. I like the little engine on top. Almost everything's chrome. It has no back headlight tampos, but it does have a pretty big chrome bumper. The back windshield just looks so big and goofy. I don't know, it just looks so funny. It looks so small, and it's like the car got pressed very small. You know, look at that. It has little side headlights there. And there is nothing on the front but just a big chrome bumper. And the big engine actually has some pretty good details. Look at that. Some chrome wheels. Nice. So there we go. Got the little tiny Charger. There we go. I think one of the windows are closed. Or is the window broken? Weird. But still cool. So let's take a look at the next car. We got the 94 Toyota Supra. Come on, let's crack it open. Oh, I can't wait to look at this and outside the box. Oh, man. Oh, little Supra. Hey, buddy. Hey, little buddy. Oh, my God. It's so cute. I should have bought 10 of it. Oh, my God. I'm ecstatic. Look how small the boy is. Just put him on the rotator. I have a lot of things to say about this guy. So taking a look at them, there's actually a lot of design. I love the little chrome muffler, but there's no back headlight tampos. It also has the big back windshield. Very nice chrome wheels with the little tiny arm, the silver arm from the movie with the green stripe on it. Has the little blowers on top. Has the front headlight tampos, very detailed, and has a very cool chrome radiator. The inside is just fully chromed out. Really love the chrome wheels, and look how small the wheels are. And also the Charger is very cute too. I love it. So look at that. It's so cute. Okay, guys. But anyways, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.